Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and nutritious banana protein shake. First, you will need 1 ripe banana, 1 scoop of your preferred protein powder, and about 1 cup of liquid. You can use dairy milk, water, or a plant-based option like almond or oat milk. The type of protein powder is up to you. Vanilla or chocolate are popular choices that pair well with banana. Now, let's talk about customizing your shake. For healthy fats and a richer flavor, consider adding 1 tablespoon of peanut or almond butter. If you want to sneak in some extra greens, a half cup of spinach blends in seamlessly without affecting the taste. You can also boost the fiber content by adding 1 tablespoon of chia seeds or ground flaxseed. These additions make your shake even more beneficial. To achieve the perfect consistency, start by adding your liquid to the blender first, followed by the banana, protein powder, and any other add-ins. Blend on high for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until the shake is completely smooth and creamy. If you prefer a colder or thicker shake, toss in a few ice cubes before blending. This ensures everything is well combined. Once blended, pour your delicious banana protein shake into a glass and enjoy it immediately for the best taste and texture. If you happen to have any leftovers, you can store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. For more great deals and product recommendations, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to check out the links in the description below. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.